Excuse me, Captain Sparrow. I'll be right honoured to welcome you aboard our world-renowned vessel of infamy, Queen Anne's Revenge. Blackbeard.
Okay, I got my kiddos here, and because you guys are doing such an amazing job, Nifeliz, they decided to send you guys a treat. So this is for you guys, because I always tell them that my kiddos build about 95% of their sets, right? So since you guys are such amazing builders, I'm going to go ahead and open it up.
Thanks, Nifeliz. Your kits are the best.
Just here, now pull that. There you go. Let's give it in care. All right, hold on. Let's get this out of the way. What could this be? Pick it up. What is that? That's heavy. Throw that box out the way, please. What is that, guys?
A pirate ship!
Pirate ship, oh my goodness. Is that cool?
Mm-hmm. How many pieces?
Oh, this was, I'm not sure how many pieces. Let me open this for you guys real quick. This has got tape. Just carefully going to peel it off carefully for us so we can open it. We'll take this, we'll put it over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And here you go. What's the booklet say? What's that say?
Queen Anne's Revenge.
Queen Anne's Revenge. Whoa.
Second.
I don't think that's, but you can see the instructions.
This just came out.
Kind of.
You didn't get to put on the back.
It sells another. Wow, that is so cool.
That's strange.
These are stickers.
Oh my god. We don't even have too much.
Yeah, that's a lot of pieces. I'm not sure. We'll have to look up. But thanks, Nifeliz. That is amazing.
You have the best kit.
Yeah. Now, this is going to be a lot of fun to build, and we'll make sure that you guys do the videos to explain where we are. All right. Awesome. Thanks, Nifeliz. This is fantastic. They're going to have so much fun with this one. And then you guys will be able to play with it too. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we completed the 5 bags. And this is how it looks. We have built 8 cannons. And we think here's going to be a room. But we don't know for sure. And there's like this hidden room here. If you can just see, there's some type of liquid here. We think it's a container full of water. And thank you again, Nifeliz, for sending us this build.
Can't wait to see what the next 5 bags will add to the ship.
We completed bags 6 through 10. And this is how the ship looks.
We have put on the skeleton head and the front end of the ship. And we also put on the lid for the cannon and the wall. And we have put on the steps and the weirdest part is the armory is built right next to the jail.
We are excited to see the next 5 bags in progress.
We have completed bag 11 through 15 and this is how the ship works.
We have put on the front sail and then the skeleton king. And we put on the anchors which move in and out. And we also built this full thing. We have the mast going, and we have the sails. And just to see how it looks, we have the side all put on. And then I can demonstrate one of the cannons for shooting it. We will
complete the next 5 bags. We're excited to see what they will add to the
Okay.
ship.
We've built bags 16 through 20, and this is how the ship looks. We've built a balcony, which also has a door that comes into a room, and it has decorational arms. And we also built bags 21 through 23, which has the steering sail and another sail just for wind, and then it has the steering wheel. And thank you again, Nifeliz, for sending us this amazing build.